Order filled. Order filled.
Yo, was good, main? Wait, can you hear me? If you're talking, I can't hear you. Tighter range. I'm gonna buy here, bro. Come on. Keep going for me. Shit, that's it? Nah. No way. I want a really good entry. Or it can just go without me. That works too. Not really trying to get in early here. I think this is too early for me. I would easily get stopped out. So let's just wait for a better setup here. Let's play the range. Looks like it's gonna get to the top of the range here, so I'm very hopeful that it doesn't just leave me again. Or the range is just gonna get tighter and I'm not gonna have the opportunity to step in. Which also means I could theoretically price action should change soon. But we've got 2 minutes left to trade basically, and I don't know if that's gonna be enough time to wait for some sort of change and then realize that change and also trade it. So we'll see. Yeah, the range is getting super tight here, so I don't think I want to take on a trade unless it's like bottom ticking here. Or honestly, I don't even want to bottom tick. If anything, I'm just gonna go for this range here. Try and play to the top like really freaking quickly though. Let's see. Price hit. Now we wait for
Order filled.
let's go about half here. And then we can put a stop loss there. decent enough trade. I wouldn't be mad if this this is a loss, so a probability enough for me. Although honestly, yeah, should have looked at that candle more, but yeah, it's just dancing.
Order filled.
Let's go. We take those. We'll take those. I suspect price action is gonna change here soon, though. I don't know where to, but yeah, I just expect it to get out of this range. Probably at 9 o'clock, honestly. It might just be that candle that changes everything. Yo, it's good, Bobby. Never mind. See, that's why I only put it to the middle of the range there. Because if I had put it to the top of the range, that would have meant that I would have gotten there was a chance that I wouldn't have that price action wouldn't have reached the top of the range there, so that's why I'm playing a little bit more carefully right now. The range is getting tighter, as you can see. Didn't hit the lowest point of the day there. Range is getting super tight, but we're still at a pretty good ATR for the day, is what I've been noticing. The lowest ATR for today was, let's see, 10 points, almost 11. That's honestly pretty good. And at this point, playing a range here would probably get me stopped out very quickly. So I'm glad I didn't take anything there. Looks like price action might be changing here. So might be directional, might be not. But let's see. If it is direction, we'll wait for a pullback. And then we get in. But I gotta figure out a good bracket size order for the pullback, or else I'm just gonna get stopped out very, very quickly. And we gotta let it realize that it is a pullback. So let's see. Looks like it just swallowed the whole move up though, and we're gonna sit on our hands for a bit here, see what happens. Like I said, my prediction is that it is turning directional, but I don't really see the characteristics of it being directional just yet, so we'll sit on our hands for now. All right. So about 2 minutes of this price action. Started at 53. It is now 56. Looking at it, it looks like, I mean, there's not really much to go off of just yet, but looks like it's just consolidating at these levels, but it was directional for a moment there. Now what I'm suspecting is that it's trying to break out from these highs right here, but it needs a little bit more consolidation since we had that little dump there. We'll see what it does, but probably not going to be able to trade it in the time I have left. This morning volatility, like I said, it's probably the big move is probably going to be at 9 a.m. So, and that's, I'm not trying to trade that time right now. So we'll just see. Yeah, it's playing a very tight consolidation here. I don't think anyone would really trade this. This is a 20-point range. You'd have to really wait for the bottom here. But let's see. I just want to see the 9 o'clock candle. See what happens there. Okay. Here we go. 9 o'clock. There's a big candle. And did it reach high day? It's almost there. 5 days right here. Question is if it continues to consolidate within this like range here, or if it completely breaks into the new high of day there, which I am betting it does break into high of day and turn directional. About to break into new high day here, I bet. And then you should hope for a big candle going through the high. Like at least like half of it, like 29 points ish. Here we go. Then you could look for a retest, and that would be your entry. I don't want to do that though. I only took 2 trades today. About $740 in profit, 728 after the fees. Pretty happy about that. I think it was a very disciplined day. You know what I mean? So I'll see you guys tomorrow, but as you can see, pretty much right there. This is the pullback that I'm talking about, and I would play this, except it's already 9:04. There's not a lot of volatility going on beyond this point, so there'd be no point of me in trading. If this happened here, I would have traded it. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow we have, let's see if we have some major news. We have unemployment claims tomorrow, so we'll take a look at that. We'll trade the morning there. Obviously at open, not at the time unemployment claims come. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Y'all have a blessed one.